Hello my people, welcome to GLAATORY. On my today's video I will show you how I make this whipped caramel. This is very easy recipe. Hope you will try it after watching it. Here I use granulated sugar. So I'm doing it under low heat. I added like 2 tablespoons of water. So make sure your heat is on low or medium, but at least low is better. And continuously stirring it. Why it's important you stir it all the time is to avoid burning. Okay, because when it got burnt, it will not taste good. So keep stirring it all the time to avoid burning. So you can see the color is already changing. If today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. Thank you, I do appreciate that. You can see the color is already changing. So at this time, you need to continuously stirring it because it's possible if you leave it, it will get burnt, okay? Here I'm adding my butter. So at this time, I don't need this heat, so I'll off my heat. So I added the butter. And I'm adding my full cream, my heavy cream. I'll keep mixing everything to well combine. So if you're seeing my video for the first time, please remember to subscribe, like my video or love it, comment and share. And for those of you, my returning subscribers and followers, please remember to like, comment and share. I added salt to balance the taste. So this time you can see I will be setting it aside on my refrigerator for 10 minutes. I will cover it with cling wrap and let it sit on my refrigerator for 10 minutes. This is after 10 minutes. I will give it a first whip. You can see at this time it's still very runny. All you need to do is to put it back again on your refrigerator and let it sit again. At this time, I let it sit for 15 minutes. This is after 15 minutes. You can see the color changed. I'm transferring it to a bigger bowl because at this time I'll be whipping it for a little bit longer. And this is the time the whipping caramel will be out. You see? It is so good. I hope you will try this recipe. This is very good for your ice cream, your cupcakes, even your cake decoration. It's very good. You can use it or for your dessert. Hope you'll get to try this recipe. This is very easy. Let's see, it came out so well. Or if you want to use it now, you can just use it to pipe in whatever you want to use it for. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.